so dry, so I used to.
Here, oh, it's so hot there.
So I only use.
What's that?
This is red and pink because I have one more over there like this. So I use this all day because my lips always dry. So I use this so I'm going in the church. Because you know, this one is so light, and so red. You see this? 'Cause,
You're
know,
too young to use that lipstick, man.
yes, but I wear a red, so I use this and this because you know my mom always gives this lipstick, so I always call it one over there, but I always lock it because my sister always touch anything because I always buy her my lipstick because
What's brand of your lipstick? Mary Kay. Wow.
no, this is
That's yours or from mommy?
for mommy because she gave it to me. So I only use it because this is my favorite color, red and this. So I use it to my lips cannot dry.
Very good.
Because you know my lip is so dry. I can use this because my lips always dry everywhere. Because over here because you know I drink something milky, so dry.
Okay.
Yes, so
You speak very fast.
So because you know, I always braid a lot of hair because you know I so fast to braid hair. So because I watch Casey Rachel, my Casey, so fast to braid hair because you know I so fast to braid hair. So because you know I only need English because you know I practice a long time because you know I do a project so. I'm perfect, so my teacher happy for me because
What your teacher's happy for you?
yes, because
So
I'm
much.
perfect. Yes, I'm perfect.
You're always perfect in your exam?
Yes.
Wow.
So because I'm perfect, I love to have a score. So my mom gave it this to me because I'm perfect in my school. So I give
Nahirapan si kuya magkalisod-lisod magkaintindi.
because this this
How about Ate Sam?
looks like
Can you talk LJ, Ate Sam?
what? This one is like lighter, so I only use this.
What do you use among that?
This one for me, so I only give it
That's
to-
yours?
Yes, because I need to share.
Only Ate Sam and LJ are magkasinabot.
Yes, because you know, I only share to this because it's like so empty. So because I use it in my lip, so my lips cannot dry.
Maybe your mommy is looking that lipstick.
Yes, because you know my one
Is that empty or what?
is not empty.
Okay.
So I only use it in my lips because my lips can dry.
You don't have class today? Why?
Because it's Sunday.
It's
I
Saturday.
only use this because my lips can dry, so I only put a lot of lipstick in my mouth because you know I always do something.
Who's that?
Kuya,
It's Kuya.
I
Kuya Ira have long hair.
you know, here a girl can put this too.
Bye bye baby, bye bye. Bye bye kaway kaway.